Hello guys and welcome to this video. So today I'm gonna be writing Estella, and she's like my first pony. Yeah, and she's so sweet. I'm gonna take my shoes on, so yeah. I'm not English, so I'll appreciate it if you guys like don't say that in English or something, because I'm not even English yet. But now I'm just gonna take. What's my dog? Hello, pretty princess.
I ain't no princess. I'm a queen.
Well, that's my dog. But I'm just gonna get Estella. It's really bad weather today. I have absolutely no idea why. I'm just gonna jump some jumps and then I'm gonna see you. So it's really windy outside today. But yeah, I'm just gonna do some walking. Well, yeah, I'm just gonna do some walking and yeah. Okay, so now I'm literally galloping and yeah, I can't even. Oh my god, that's my dog. It's like really hot. It's really hot. I'm just gonna see her when I'm done. That wasn't long at all, but it's really windy outside right now. Oh my god. Now Estella is in her box and I'm just gonna say goodbye for now. Say goodbye.
Gonna press my line. I wanna agree like I wanna be like I wanna press my dear, spare your feelings. I relive moments, feeling more residual.